Good morning, it's Dan
and Laura,
and it's February 8th. It's about 10:30 in the morning. We're headed up the Parkway, so if you take you for a little ride, we're gonna head up the Parkway to the Paterson Bird Store to pick up some goodies for our birdie. So we're gonna set you up right here. You can see, and you can see the cameras our neighbors have pointed directly at my driveway. The ones that we have 3 harassment convictions against, but they don't seem to care. So we don't let it bother them, let them dig their hole deeper. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna back out here, head down Ridgeway, turn up onto Fern Terrace, get on the Route 78 entrance next to the trailer park. Woohoo! But yeah, maybe I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna go down Ridgeway so I can give you a good shot of the trailer park. There's our front. A little tribute to the snow that's still coming down. It's supposed to snow again a little later today. A little bit of snow, a little bit of ice. And,
did you know that snow is a 4-letter word?
Yeah. I think the 4-letter word I hear while people are shoveling, though.
That's for sure.
Okay, and straight down a little bit. And here we're coming up to Vernon Avenue. I'm going to turn for a second just to show you. There's our lovely trailer park over there. Been here forever. They're very lucky through the storm, through Sandy, as we only had 1 car in crushed back there, and they got some huge old growth trees. So here we go crossing onto East 78. Woohoo! And a lot has changed for a lot of people who moved out of state. And we are going to, well, actually what we're doing today is we're heading up to the Paterson Bird Store, the only place to go get supplies if you have a birdie. We got the freshest millet, the freshest feed. They even sold us 3 pounds of pot seed, which our bird didn't like, so we returned it. But they do sell marijuana seed up there.
They call it hemp.
Hemp seed. I'm sorry, not marijuana seed. Hemp seed. Yeah. But if it's anything like the rest of the seed they sold us before, where we had the opium poppies growing in our backyard, you never know. But we are coming up 78. We're going to get on the Parkway North. The beautiful Garden State Parkway North, exit 52, here in Union, as we drag out our easy path. And by the way, did you know all those solar panels that you see popped up all around? You walk out in front of your home, or walk down the street, you see a solar panel on a pole. Take a look underneath. There's a router. That router can read your Easy Pass, can read your Wi-Fi, can read your cell phone, can read your Mac IDs from your computers, your tablets, can read the Bluetooth IDs. So there's no reason for them to go to your carrier to track you anymore. All they got to do is watch you on their own overlapping cellular network, which is all tied in. Lovely way to sneak that through, huh? Don't you think? And here we are, going to go through the Easy Pass only. Let's see if it works this time. Sometimes it doesn't work. Let's see the Easy Pass. Easy Pass paid! We did it. Alright. Here we are. Let's make it wash off this windshield a little bit. Clear. We got the noisiest windshield wipers in the world. A lot has changed out here on the Parkway. They replaced the centerpiece here the center divider, because the concrete they used in the old one was bad. Actually started chipping off after a while. Number 10-3, cruising speed. Sorry if it's a little noisy. My co-pilot has her window open so she gets smoke. You can see they've added some of these overpasses. They've added these signs. Kind of like what they used to have in California with the Southern California. They also have these signs on the side of the road, the end signs that actually change numbers and all. Technology. Here we are coming up on one of those signs crossing. A lot of these have also cameras, so you can hook in the cameras using well, I think NewJersey.com has a link. You can search on Google. And you can pretty much take a look through their cameras all over the state. There we go.
Under the bridge splat.
Yeah, luckily it wasn't a
Bird dropping.
wasn't a pigeon. Exit 145, past 145. Today's ride is brought to you by the Chevrolet Caprice, the 1996 Caprice Police Interceptor. 9C1 is the designation. 260,000 miles on it, going strong. Oh yeah, put that window on. Good. Now you can hear it a little bit. Yeah, passing exit 144. Coming up on the graveyard. You know, they actually moved all these graves when they put the parkway through.
I hope they move the bodies.
Yeah, they moved the bodies, they moved the graves, at least the ones they could find. Who knows what the hell else is underneath there. There it is. Yeah, it's amazing.
That's a big cemetery.
Yeah, it's huge. People are dying to get in.
Yep, they sure are.
So this is another of our Dan on the Street little rides around down New Jersey for those people who moved out, kind of miss it. I tell you, they're getting better. Traffic's getting worse. Oh, and Red Devil, the old Red Devil, and that whole area that was so toxic and contaminated. Well, guess what? They're building 200-something townhouses, 270 townhouses. High income, affluent townhouses. No low income there. Nope, not going to put any low income in there.
No Section 8s.
Yeah, but guess what? It's right next to the high school. So there's Vauxhall Road going right past there, which is 2-lane road. They're going to have to make that wider. And the traffic's going to suck as if it doesn't now. We know it does. So, there's switch lanes here. Pick it up a little bit. And we're heading up into 148 Bloomfield Avenue. Bloomfield, Montclair. Mile 148. And this parkway's got a long history. You know, I always thought it'd be great if they shut the parkway down one side, one day a year, and just had a race. One end of New Jersey to the other. Just balls to the wall, let them go. Fastest wins. Fastest wins all, but, you know, New Jersey ain't that kind of state. Yeah. And all these places like these parkway lofts and all, these old abandoned, well, they're not abandoned, these old warehouses, they're turning them all into condos. Bringing more people in, less industry, more people. Ain't that the way it goes? giant devil. They're moving all these people in, and it's basically going to suck because the traffic already sucks. But what can you do? This is called progress. Somebody's getting paid. Ain't us. Somebody's getting paid. Yeah, we do all this for free. We do this because we like to. We do this as a little give back, a little history for our state, where we grew up, our beloved state of New Jersey, our beloved township of Union. And the Union Center National Bank, which used to be a wonderful place. My opinion, piss on them for taking down the flag. But that's my opinion. You want to sue me? Get in line. It was disgusting that a mayor, an ex-mayor of the town would be a part of taking down the flag from the all-American town. It's disgusting. I know a lot of people feel the same. And opening up groups online on Facebook with employees to bad talk our little attempt to try to get the flag put back up, well, you know what you can all do with that. We really don't care. We do our own thing. That's why you don't see us falling apart like Hackett's group or the chat group or all those other groups. They can all go do whatever they want. We do our own thing. We show our own from Union. We show our own from the state. And we'll show you what's really going on. You don't see them showing up at the township committee meetings with any opinions, with any ideas to try to make Union a better place. But no, they can bitch online. So let them all complain. They'll all implode. Meanwhile, we keep chugging along. Oh, gotta say hi to my stalkers too. Hey, yeah, thanks. Thanks for hacking everything I got. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for all the proof. So here we are. We're coming up on exit 151. Oh, and right past here, one of my favorite places, the New Jersey State Police Barracks. Now, funny story about this place, Troop D Bloomfield. Years ago, they did a cocaine bust up here, and there was a group of idiots who believed after the state troopers had repapered most of the building with rock and roll posters that it was actually a rock station, and they came in there trying to sell cocaine. Got their asses busted. That was one of the most beautiful black flag operations, false flag operations ever done by the New Jersey State Police, who we support. New Jersey State Police putting their lives on the line every single day to keep you and me and everyone safe. There's a lot of people out there who just don't care. We are not those people. You know, it's real easy to get out there and bitch and complain and whine about, oh, I don't like this, I don't like that, or the town isn't doing this for me, the town isn't doing that. You know, it's terrible. Oh, speaking of town stuff, I want to bring something up that bothers me. And this just really bothers me. The little park that they set up, the little decrepit park that they let fall apart, that they then repurposed as a community garden. Well, don't you think if you'd taken care of the damn park in the first place, we'd still have tennis there, we'd still have basketball, and the kids would still have a place to go? Here's our exit. We're going to go to exit 3. 3 and 46, 153B. You know, if you had taken care of that park, you know, we'd still have tennis courts there. And by tearing out the tennis courts and saying, oh, we're going to repurpose this as a community garden, I'm sorry, I saw the community garden. To me, it wasn't that much of a success. Yes, it brought the people together. Yes, it brought some people together. But a success? Not really. And salting most of the place, most of the ground there to kill the poison ivy without insecticide? I mean, come on. You salt the earth, nothing grows. You know, it isn't just the poison ivy that you kill. You kill everything. There's a water table there. All that stuff flows out. We are coming up on Grove Street. And where we're headed to is our favorite little place to go. This is where you go for any kind of bird stuff. You want a bird, you want to buy a bird, you eat bird food, you eat millet. If you eat millet, this is the place. There is no better place. You get the freshest millet, the freshest food, and you cannot beat it. It's a Paterson Bird Store in Paterson. Google it. I can give you the address. It's my secret. We are now on 46 West. We're going west, coming into the township of Little Falls. You see, Little Falls, everything's changed so much up here. And again, we're doing this for the people who moved out of town, people who miss New Jersey. You know, and New Jersey is a place to miss. I gotta say, things have not been great out here, but we try. One of the things I'm gonna do is we've gotta stop to get some gas. We are low. I think we're gonna make it to the bird store though. We should make it to the bird store. Tell you what, we're gonna walk the edge. We are either gonna fail or we're gonna succeed. But we're gonna do it. Well, let's try some hypermiling. I'm gonna take my foot off the gas and just roll down the hill. When I was working in the sign business, I used to do signs all over around here. In fact, we can stop over here today. We have a little something for Sergeant Ball that we've been holding on to give to him as a little appreciation for his 16, 17 years of service with the Union Police. And so far we've been blocked from giving it to him. But we're hoping at some point. We don't want to make it about us. Even if it's just personal and we can catch him somewhere, sometime. We just would like to give him a little something. Paterson Park West Diner, famous diners in Jersey. Been a lot of movies shot there. And yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Gas says low, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. What do you say? Want to park illegally today?
Yeah, that's risky.
There's a trick where you can park in the shopping center across from the bird store and walk over to it. And they usually don't bother you.
Yeah, the only problem is this thick snow and ice. Trying to get down that little hill.
I'll carry you. I'll carry you. Here it is. It's called the Bill Plaza, which is kind of funny. A Bill.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I'll just cut through and we'll go to the other side. Phone call.
Hello? Alright.
Okay.
Alright. Will do.
Will do. Oh boy. I'm gonna just cut through here and go around. I'll show you the front way in. cuts through. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. See all the snow that we got. A lot of snow up here. There goes a state trooper that way. Breaking the law. You don't know what it's like. Okay, here we go. The Paterson Bird Store is 13. Yay. 13, whatever the hell we are out here. And we're coming around the corner. Coming around the corner. And it is packed. How are we going to park here? Oh, jeez. I don't even see if we can park. We're going to park in front of the garbage can. There we go. We're parking in front of the garbage can. So, here we are. We're gonna take you for a little walk outside. Lock it for me, hon. Here we are. At the wonderful Paterson Bird Store. Show you. Open 7 days a week. We're going in the front door. Hey guys. And here we are. Best bird store in New Jersey. Paterson Bird Store. We just drove up from Union to show everybody how to get here. I'll take you over into here. And you can see the most beautiful birds. Let's get the camera. There's everybody. See? All the beautiful birdies. All the beautiful birdies here. This is the only place to come to get bird food. If you want millet, there is no other place in Jersey to come and get millet. This is it. This is it. And you, hello. Hello. That come through. They have everything you could possibly need. And there's a whole second floor here with.
Thank you very much. Great weekend.
The second floor with cages, cozies, everything you could possibly want. All the feed, everything you could possibly need. This is Dan on the street, reporting from the Paterson Bird Store. We love this bird store. There's no other place to go in Jersey.